Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade cornbread stuffing. First, let's prepare our base. You'll want to use day-old cornbread, as its slightly dry texture is perfect for absorbing all the delicious flavors. Crumble about 8 cups of this cornbread into a large mixing bowl. This ensures your stuffing won't be soggy, but rather wonderfully moist and flavorful. It's a crucial first step for that classic, comforting taste. Next, we'll build our flavor foundation with some aromatic vegetables. In a large skillet, melt about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 1 cup of finely chopped celery and 1 cup of chopped yellow onion. Sauté these until they are tender and translucent, which usually takes around 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of dried sage and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme for that essential stuffing aroma. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour the warm, sautéed vegetables and herbs directly over your crumbled cornbread in the large bowl. In a separate small bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are well blended, then add them to the cornbread mixture. Gradually pour in about 2 to 3 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, mixing gently until all the cornbread is evenly moistened. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the stuffing dense. Finally, let's get this delicious stuffing into the oven. Transfer your prepared cornbread mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish, spreading it evenly. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. If you prefer a golden, crispy top, you can bake it uncovered for the last 10 minutes. Once it's beautifully golden and fragrant, remove it and serve warm. Enjoy your homemade cornbread stuffing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.